Are you ready to turn your leads into real opportunities and supercharge your Salesforce workflow? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a lead in Salesforce, transforming it seamlessly into an account, contact, and opportunity. This is a must-know skill for any Salesforce user looking to streamline their sales process and manage leads efficiently. First, let's navigate to the app launcher. This handy tool helps you move between different areas of Salesforce. From here, select the Leads tab where all your current leads live. Don't worry if this is your first time. The app launcher is usually at the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you're in the Leads tab, find the lead you want to convert and click on their name to open the detailed record. This page gives you a snapshot of all the important information about your lead, so you know exactly what you're working with before moving forward. Next, look for the Convert button in the top right corner of the lead record page. Clicking this starts the conversion process and opens the conversion window. This step is crucial. It's what moves your lead to the next stage of your sales pipeline. In the conversion window, you'll face your first key decision. Should you create a new account for this lead or attach it to an existing account? If the lead is already associated with a business in your system, linking it to an existing account is usually the most efficient choice. Now, fill in all the necessary details. Ensure the contact information is accurate and that the opportunity details align with your sales process. Double checking here is vital. It sets a solid foundation for all future interactions with this contact. At this stage, decide whether to create an opportunity. You can generate a new opportunity, link it to an existing one, or skip it entirely. This choice depends on the lead's potential and your planned approach in the sales cycle. Finally, after reviewing all your entries, click Convert to finalize the process. Your lead is now successfully transformed into a contact with an account and opportunity created if needed. By following these steps, you'll not only convert leads efficiently, but also maintain cleaner, more organized Salesforce data, giving you the edge to close deals faster and smarter. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to implement these steps in your next Salesforce session and watch your sales process become smoother and more productive.